Okay, we've now arrived at our high flexible line. And Petra, I see you've brought a nice example for us to look at as well. Why don't you explain to us what's going on this particular line, please?
Here at our high flexible line, we show scalable performance and the integration of third-party products to enable this line to place components of any shape, weight and size. So in action, we have the DEC TQL printer for large boards, the process lens, and of course our high flexible platform SIPLACE SX. The SIPLACE SX is enhanced with several third-party options for feeding and also for placing OSC and through-hole components. So with this flexible line and the easy integration via open standard interfaces of third-party products and options, this is the ultimate solution for flexible application in the high mix, low volume environment.
That's very impressive, Petra. And some pretty interesting components we're able to place with the equipment.
Yes.
Are we going to be demonstrating that?
Of course, we show it live at the booth. We will place this board.
Very, very good. Okay, so that concludes our stop number 2 on the booth tour. And we'll be back to you soon. Thank you.